Welcome to Fleetman Demo. Structured document management solves the issue of scattered documents in various locations. With Fleetman, you will always have the documents you need at hand. In this demo, we will show you how to search for the vehicle entry, use of the templates, and structured document storage. One way to start work with your Fleetman is by searching for license plate or VIN number. It automatically shows all the service history of the searched vehicle, its insured events, contracts, etc. These results can be further filtered. Now we will generate the document. Fleetman helps us with automatically populating the predefined template with data in the system. Let us demonstrate with this particular vehicle. This is a simple template for demo purposes. The templates are usually customized based on the needs of each customer. The document can be saved directly to the dedicated storage space of the selected car. Organized document storage is one of the most practical benefits of our app. All the related documents, forms, and contracts can be accessed directly from the vehicle form under the Documents tab. So if I save the document related to the insured event, it will be easily accessible from the event and from the related vehicle card. In order to place the generated document into the structure, I only need to press the button Send, select the file, and confirm the saving. The document storage is also mirrored in Microsoft Teams. Fleetman also allows us to synchronize folders and files via OneDrive and view them directly via Windows File Explorer.
Konica Minolta. Rethink today to redefine tomorrow.